Let's explore how to calculate the average value of a function over an interval. The average value of a function from a to b is determined by a specific formula involving an integral. To find the average value of the function over the interval 0, 1, we follow a series of steps involving definite integrals. First, let's delve into the concept of finding the antiderivative of a function, which plays a crucial role in integration and understanding the behavior of the function. Moving on, we evaluate the definite integral of the function from 0 to 1. This step is essential as it involves the calculation of the total area under the curve within the specified interval, contributing to the determination of the average value. Having found the integral, we proceed to determine the interval width, representing the distance from 0 to 1. This calculation helps us establish a fundamental parameter necessary for calculating the average value accurately. By dividing the result of the integral by the interval width, we obtain the average value of the function over the interval 0, 1. This final calculation encapsulates the essence of the average value concept, providing insights into the function's overall tendencies and characteristics. Understanding how to calculate the average value of a function through definite integrals illuminates the relationship between the function's behavior and the area under its curve. This method offers a concise yet powerful tool for analyzing and interpreting the function's properties over a specified interval. Exploring further examples or seeking additional practice can enhance your comprehension of this concept. Feel free to inquire for more clarification or practice